are going to do that by using the hand inverse sequence. Okay, step 1 is say we did the inverse Fourier transform for the h of e power j omega. We get h of n. This is of n. This is the value. Okay. Now select the inverse sequence. The step 2. We have hand inverse, right? So for hand inverse we have the equation as W suffix h n of n is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 cos 2 pi n divided by n minus 1 for minus of n minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to n less than or equal to n minus 1 by 2. And we have n is equal to 11, so the equation becomes WH of n is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 cos pi n divided by 5. N minus 1 is 10 and I have 2 pi n divided by 10, so it becomes cos pi n 5 for the limit minus 5 to plus 5. So from here we have to find out for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for 0, 0.5 plus 0.5 it becomes 1, right? So cos 0 degree is 1. So 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. Everyone use the calculator and find out the value for WH of n. So for 1 it is 0.5 plus 0.5 into cos of pi by 5. Find the value for this. And WHN of 2 is, so everyone use the calculator and tell me the answer. Cos of 2 pi by 5 and W suffix Hn of P is equal to, and we have assumed the symmetric property, so everywhere it is equal to minus 1 also. So W suffix Hn of minus 1 is equal to W suffix Hn of minus 2 is equal to W suffix Hn of 2. Find it for minus 3 also. Who is talking there? I need the answer from you. Find out. Use the calculator, find out the answer and tell me the answer. Cos pi by 5 is? Answer is? 0.9045. Answer for that WH of 1. 0.9045 dot. Similarly, find out for all those things. This is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 cos of 3 pi by 5. Find this value. Similarly, find out after 5. So cos pi is minus 1. So 0.5 minus 0.5 is 0. So last one is 0. First one is 1. Remaining values find out. For WHN of 2, we got 0.655. WHN of 3 is 0.345 and WHN of 4 is 0.0945. Got this? 0.0945. So step 1, we have find out the inverse Fourier transform and we got impulse function Ht of n. Okay, and step 2, we have find out the window sequence. What is step 3? Step 3, what you have to do? Listening. Completed up to this. Seven completed, whatever in the board. We have completed 2 steps. What is the third step? H of n we calculate. So sir completed do the H of n calculation. H of n is equal to I step is D of n into W of n. We have for H of 0, I step is D of 0, W of 0. So we have already calculated for H of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? In the previous problem itself. Yes or no? How the value for H of is D of 0, D of 1, D of 2, 3, 4, 5. Substitute that here and find the value. So step 3 is the filter coefficients using adding window. So after multiplication with the sequence, we will get the truncated one. Yes or no? So from minus infinite to plus infinite, we got the Ht of n. After multiplication with the window sequence only, we get the truncated sequence. It becomes finite impulse response filter, FIR filter. There we have only 1 as the value, so we get H of n is equal to 1 or multiply 1 here simply, and the limit has changed from minus 5 to plus 5. Here we have the value for H of W of 0, W of 1 and W of 2, 3, 4, 5 also. So for H of 0 it is 0. No, it's not 0. 0.75, right? 0.75 into 1. Similarly, find out H of 1, H of 2. So third problem, what is Ht of 1? Substitute that and find out H of 1. So first H of 0 we have to find out, right? So for this one, for this step 3, we have to multiply this H of 0, decide the impulse sequence with the windows function in order to get the H of 0, H of 1, that is H of n calculate, we have to do like that. So H of 0 we already calculated in the previous problem itself. We can do now also. Here this is H of n, inverse Fourier transform, we got this one. Substitute n is equal to 0 here. So you get 0 by 0. It is indefinite. So we can go for L'Hospital rule. So theta tends to 0. Sin theta by theta is equal to 1. So here sin pi n divided by pi n. N tends to infinite. So it becomes 1. And similarly for sin pi by 4 into n divided by pi by 4 into n. So multiply with 1 by 4 here. sin pi by 4 divided by pi. Use a calculator to find the answer. Sin pi minus sin pi by 4 divided by pi. Minus 0.225, right? So we will calculate this. Find out n is equal to 1 substitute பண்ணுங்க. Sin pi minus sin pi by 4 divided by pi. What you got? Minus 0.225. Yes or no? Use the calculator and find out the answer. Understood? Similarly, find out for h of 2. Find 2 pi minus sin pi by 2 divided by 2 pi. Then h of 3 sin 3 pi minus sin 3 pi by 4 divided by 3 pi. H of 4 sin 4 pi minus sin pi divided by 4 pi. H of 5 sin 5 pi minus sin 5 pi by 4 divided by 5 pi. Find all those values and substitute here. Multiply these two and find out the answer. So for h of 2, what is got? Minus 0.1591. So for h of 3, what is got? Minus 0.075. And h of 4 is 0. And for h of 5, what is got?
0.045.
0.045. Okay, here we got multiply all those things, right? The first one is 0.15. So h of 1 into WHN of 1. So h of 1 is got minus 0.204 right here. We got to find out the h of n sequence. What we got for this? H of 1 multiplied with WHN of 1. We have to multiply with meter seconds, then understood, right? So what we got? 204 and h of 2 is minus 0.026. Minus 0.026. And this 2 becomes 0 because one of the terms are 0. Got this? So whatever we have find out after this, the step 1, we have find out the inverse Fourier transform and we have find out h of n, the desired impulse response sequence from the desired transfer function. That is the first step we did. And then second step we have find out WH of n, that is what is the window sequence. And the third one we are going to multiply that h of e power j omega, sorry, h of n with w of n in order to get the h of n. Okay, one more step third step we got to multiply this. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 substitute up to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 5. That is multiply we got the sequence. What we got to do the next? In the one step and step 4 and transfer function. So do that. Step 4. Step 4. The transfer function of the filter is given by. Write that equation. And find out h of z is equal to h of 0 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to 5. H of n is equal to minus 1. substitute all the values. Put at step 4. The transfer function of the filter. sigma n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 by 2 a of n cos omega n. So we can write this as a of 0 h of n minus 1 by 2 is equal to h of 5 0.75, and we have a of n formula as 2 into h of n minus 1 by 2 minus n. So everyone substitute in this. N is equal to 11 we know. For a of 1 means 10 by 2 is 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So 2 into h of 5 minus 1 is equal to 2 into h of 4. H of 4 we got that as minus 0.204. So 2 into minus 0.204, what you got? Minus 0.408. So then we find out up to A5. What is A of 2? Anyone completed? Minus 0.208. Was completed? Minus 0.208. So what is A of 3? Minus 0.052. And we have A of 4 and A of 5 as 0, right? We don't have H of 4. A of 0, A of 4 and A of 5 as 0. Yes or no? 2 into H of 1, 2 into H of 0. Now write the transfer function equation. H bar of equal j omega is equal to 0.75 minus 0.408 cos omega minus 0.208 cos 2 omega minus 0.052 cos 3 omega. Yes or no, what is? Okay, now we have to substitute for omega as 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, then 180 degree. And we have to convert the values of h of equal j omega in terms of decimal. So omega in degrees. Find first h bar of equal j omega. Then modulus of h of equal j omega. What do you want? What do you want? Completed after this. Minus 21.72. So then we find it for 50, 30 and tell me the answer. So everyone complete this. In terms of degrees only we are going to calculate. So 30 degree, 60 degree likewise, and plot the graph.